welcome back once again. I believe we are catching it up with this Excel, and it's getting interesting day by day. Now we want to talk on how do we insert charts. For those of us that we are working and you need to give a pictorial representation, a graphical representation of your data, you don't need to talk, you don't need to give them, just give it to us in form of a chart and let us see. I have this normal chart that we always use when we are in school. The months, with rainfall, sunshine, and the cold weather from January to May. Wow. From January to May, not maybe, it's from January to May. Yes. So for January, we have 67 rainfall, 87 sunshine. You can use this format in any field you want to use it for. If you are working with a company, enter your data. I'm only using this as an example for you. Just get your x-axis and your y-axis, that is your column and the one that refers to your row. Then the first thing to do is always the same thing: select the range of cells. Anything you want to do, if you want to insert, always select your range of cells, because that is your information and that is what we are working on. When you select your range of cells, then on our insert menu, we have our charts. You could see we have a lot of charts. We have column, we have line, we have pie, we have bar, we have area, we have scatter, and we have other charts. In the other charts, you will see a lot. That is where you have surface, donut, bubble, radar, and so on and so forth. Just click on any one you want to use. So for this class, we are starting with our column chart. As we could see, column charts are used to compare values across categories. This is my chart. Once I click on it, it tells me which type of column do you want to use. Do you want to use the 2D column? Do you want to use the 3D column? My hand is too fast. Yes. Do you want to use the 3D column? Do you want to use the cylinder, the cone, or the pyramid? Select any of the side, or select any of your chart style and click and see the wonders. Now let me look at the 2D column. Yes, look at my charts here. This is my charts here. Wow, very beautiful. Yes, this is my month, which happens to be my what? The rows. And this, yes, this symbol is my what? Is the sunshine and the rainfall. You will see it with different colors. Look at here, the system has given it a color. On our blue, we have the rainfall. The wine or the red is the sunshine, and the lemon is the cold. So for the rainfall, do you see in January, this is it, 67. Then you have the 87, and you also have the 67. You may not like this type of chart, or if it's too small, you can click at the right edge. It's changed to a double arrow, then you click and drag. Do you see? So you can change your chart type. You can give it a beautiful chart design. Wow, very beautiful. You can now, do you see? Select any one you want. It's very beautiful. And your layout, maybe you don't like the way the layout is. We have so many layouts. Do you want your layout here? Let me pick this number 2. What happens to the number 2? It brings me the chart title, and you could see the difference, and also give me the number. No, I don't want this type of layout. Select any layout of your choice. Do you see? Pick any layout of your choice, and you will see the wonder is going to perform for you. Yes, this is it here. You see, axis title, axis title. For now, I can now come to the axis title and do what? Edit text. You right click on it and you edit your text to the month. I can now write months. Yes, you edit to write anything. I'm writing months because I'm using January to February. And this one, axis title, I can also write edit text, and I can write the percentage. Yes, that is what I want you to display. This is just our column chart. Select your range of cells and go back to your insert. As I've told you, we have so many. Look at our line chart. I'm going to be using as many as possible. Do you see the line chart? Select any one you want. Select any example of the line chart you want. This one is used to display trend over time. Select any of the one you want. Wow, do you see it here? Let me move it so that we could see very well. This is our line chart. Instead of using our column, this is our line chart. This is it. Very simple. You can also edit it by yourself, or you select any of the above format to pick to make your chart look much more beautiful. If you need to write your name at the bottom and at the side, you have to pick the layout that will allow you to give it a name and the what and the title. Do you see? You come to your chart layout. Whenever you are working on your chart, these chart tools will always come out. But if I don't click on it, you won't see the bar there. Immediately you click on your chart, it's going to come out for you. That means, do you want to have any other additional thing? So with this layout, I can change my chart title. Just right click and edit text. Right click and edit text. What do you want to give it? A length. Line chart. That's it. If you want to change the axis also, just right click and edit text and write your. So this is what our chart is. You are free to design it the way you want, depending on the type of chart you want to use that is going to go with what you are using it for. And the beauty is you can easily delete it if you don't want it. Just click on your chart and press delete on your keyboard, or you right click on it and do what? And delete. Is there delete here? Or you cut away. If I cut it's no more there until you paste it. So select your range of cells. Let's take a look at our bar chart and see what it will give us. This is our bar, this pi. So as you see, I've told you, depending on the type of chart or the category of what you are working with, click on it. Wow, this is our bar chart. For every chart, you are free to do what? To edit it, to change the layout and anything you want to use. I love working with all these ones because it gives me a very beautiful chart face. You can easily see it there. Then you select your layout. I need the one that will give me the title. Yes, very simple explanation. With this, it's very simple than the first layout that I'm using. For those of us that we don't understand all this reading, you can pick the layout that is self-explanatory. The layout that is self-explanatory. You can pick the layout that is self-explanatory. You see, I'm using layout 5. Wow! Anybody that sees this should be able to know what I'm going to do on my chart. This is our bar chart. Select your range of cells. You can insert as many charts as possible. Yes, but I believe there will be a particular one you want to use for. This is our pie chart. Let's insert our pie chart. Wow! Do you see? Those of you that understand all the statistics, you should be familiar with their look. Yes. Do you see? You can use it like that, and if you print out, it's going to give you the same way you are seeing it on the screen, especially if you are having a color printer. So don't be scared. You see, this is. So any chart you want to use, you are free to pick any of the available charts you can use. And you can also do what? You can change the look to your own particular taste. You can change any color. I believe when working with charts, we don't even really need color. We always use color to beautify our page, but it really has nothing to do with our chart layout. This depends on the layout you are working on. So you could see this one. Wow. So, and the best thing, I can also change my charts. Maybe along the line, I'm not comfortable with this chart. Any of the charts you are using, still on your design, just see here, change chart type. I can change it. I don't want. Let me use area. Change it to area chart. I don't want that one. So this is my area chart, and you pick any design from your area chart. Sorry, this my mouse is moving very, very fast. So this is my area chart. Immediately it will change it to your area chart. Try to lay your hands on all the formats you have and try to see it depending on your choice and see the wonders it's going to perform.